Thank you, Dev Babu. Respected President, Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, invited speakers, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to the fourth edition of National Media Conclave in Bhubaneswar. Really, it is indeed our proud privilege to welcome you all to the fourth National Media Conclave. It is being organized jointly by Institute of Media Studies and Utkal University to commemorate 121st birth anniversary of Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatma, legendary statesman and great nation builder. The two-day conclave will be held in virtual platform here in Bhubaneswar. Friends, as you all know, this time the broad theme of the conclave is communication for social change. It would eventually provide a forum for deliberation and exchange of ideas amongst research scholars, policymakers, media planners, and communication experts. And this dialogue, the 2 days dialogue, really it will help to all the media planners, academicians, policymakers to carry forward communication as a tool for the social change. So I will come to our chief guest because all the invited guests and the speakers, including our chief guest, they are so known to us, they don't need any formal introduction. Anyhow, we welcome our chief guest, Honorable Union Minister, Petroleum and Natural Gas Steel, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, who agreed and to grace our occasion and inaugurate our fourth National Media Conclave as chief guest. Really, sir, we are grateful to you. Friends, Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Minister, is a popular name across the country. And Dharmendra Pradhan began his second consecutive tenure at the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, becoming the first such incumbent in the history of independent India. Sri Pradhan has been the longest serving minister for petroleum and natural gas in the history of independent India, joining as the Minister of State in charge in 2014. And Sri Pradhan began his second and consecutive tenure at the Ministry of Petroleum, Natural Gas, Government of India in 2019. Popularly called the Ujjwal Man, Pradhan is credited to the success of Pradhan Mantri Yodal Yojana launched by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, under which more than 8 million LPG connections have been provided to women from BPL families. And another thing to the credit of Dharmendra Pradhan, for which he is very popular, Dharmendra Pradhan, as the petroleum minister, has been driving India's energy transitions, balancing India's energy demand and India's commitment to climate change mitigation efforts. He has provided leadership to efforts around making India a gas-based economy. Sir, we are deeply honored to have you as our chief guest to inaugurate this fourth National Media Conclave. I welcome you to this fourth National Media Conclave dialogue. And friends, we have with us Sri Bhartrihari Mahtab, who is a renowned and outstanding parliamentarian and editor of Prajatantra, and he is our mentor. He is always a source of inspiration for us, conducting the National Media Conclave starting from its first edition. And Bhartrihari Mahtab is an outstanding parliamentarian. He got the award in 2017. Before that, he was 3 times winner of Sansad Ratna, and this year he got the Sansad Maharatna Award. We always feel honored to have Sri Bhartrihari Mahtab with us as guest of honor. We formally welcome you, sir, to our fourth National Media Conclave. Friends, I welcome Professor Sudhir Gabhane. And Professor Sudhir Gabhane is currently the Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi Mission, MGM University, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. And Professor Gavhane is very popular in the field of education and administration across the country. And he is a two-time vice chancellor and professor with difference, who create difference, known as the maker of innovator, engaged in the dedication. Professor Dr. Sudhir Gavhane is an acclaimed academician and dynamic, proactive, passionate higher education leader with high caliber. And he was also former vice chancellor of Jaswant Rao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University, Nashik. And he is a highly experienced quality assessor of higher education sector in India, NAC, Bangalore. And he has 37 years of experience in teaching, research, leadership in the capacity of professor. We welcome you, sir, to our 4th National Media Conclave. And our guest of honor, Professor Somendra Mohan Patnaik is currently as the Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And Professor Somendra Mohan Patnaik, before joining as the Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, he was Professor in Delhi University in the Department of Anthropology. After 36 years, Professor Somendra Mohan Patnaik came to Odisha, and during his tenure as the Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, he brought out transformative changes in Utkal University. He has been a Fulbright Nehru Visiting Fellow in the University of Virginia and also in the University of California. And many international publications is to his credit. And Professor Patnaik has authored 4 books and 40 research papers, and his areas of interest are anthropology and development and globalization and indigenous communities. Currently, he is the president of Indian Anthropological Association. I welcome our guest of honor, Professor Om Prakash Tanvi. Professor Tanvi is currently the Vice Chancellor of Haridev Joshi University of Journalism and Mass Communication. And he is the founder of that university. And Professor Tanvi, he has 43 years of rich experience career in the journalism. Professor Tanvi has been well-regarded writer, speaker, and thought leader across continents. Besides his core competencies in journalism, his interest range from literature, arts, culture, theater, and cinema to history, anthropology, social science, and the environment. Besides writing and commenting extensively on current issues across print, electronic, social, and online platforms, and Professor Tanvi is a Hindi writer, senior journalist, editor, and critic. His most famous work is a book titled Mohenjo-daro. Sir, we welcome you to our 4th National Media Conclave as our guest of honor. Now I welcome our guest of honor, Professor Baldev Bhai Sharma. And Professor Baldev Bhai Sharma is currently Vice Chancellor of Kushabhau Thakre University of Journalism and Mass Communication, Raipur. Prior to his current position, Vice Chancellor, he was a senior professor at Central University, Dharmasala in Himachal Pradesh. We welcome you, sir, to our 4th National Media Conclave. So I welcome our guest of honor, Professor Ujjwal Chaudhary. Professor Ujjwal Chaudhary is a friend, philosopher, guide to us since our first edition of this Media Conclave. Professor Chaudhary is a leading media and communication academic of India, having been earlier the Dean of Media of Symbiosis, Pune, and currently he is the Pro Vice Chancellor, Adamas University, Kolkata. And he is known for his convergent approach to media education, starting from integrated broad-based, leading to focused specialization at the top. He is known face in TV, studio debates, and a regular writer in Indian media. He had been earlier employed with the Business India TV, G News, and Times of India Group. We welcome you, sir, to our 4th National Media Conclave. So we welcome our academic advisor, Professor of Eminence, Professor Dr. Sunil Kant Behra. Professor Sunil Kant Behra is a noted media educationist and former head of the Department of Journalism Mass Communication, Berhampur University. Presently, he is the professor of eminence, MCJ department, Tezpur Central University, Assam. Professor Behera had joined Tezpur Central University as professor and dean and established the department of JMC. And he has contributed significantly for the cause of quality education in the field of journalism by being associated with about 33 universities all over the country. And he is a well-known figure in mass media research. His research interests include ICT, development communication, social media, and women and children and media. I welcome Professor Behra to our fourth National Media Conclave. Friends, we have with us, if at all I will forget to mention their name, we have Professor Sajal Mukherjee, Director, AIMC New Delhi. We have Professor Ashok Ugra, Advisor, AIMC New Delhi. We have Professor KG Suresh, Vice Chancellor, Makhanlal Chaturvedi, Patrakarta Vishwavidyalaya. And we have Professor Biswajit Das from Jamia Millia University. We have Professor N. Usarani from Mysore University. We have Professor BP Sanjay from Hyderabad University. We have Professor Gopalan Ravindran from the University, Central University, Chennai, and Professor Binod Pavarala, expert, communication experts and well-known participatory communication media expert from University of Hyderabad. Guests, we have guests from the New Zealand, California, UK, France, and SAARC countries like Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. I welcome you all to this fourth National Media Conclave. Friends, as you all know, why we have in the virtual platform. Friends, as you all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has forced the world to introspect about the economic, social, geopolitical, and even environmental consequences of the outbreak. And this COVID-19 pandemic has forced us go for virtual, and physical meeting went now digital, and face-to-face discussion became screen to screen. And because of the COVID pandemic situation, this time the fourth edition of the Media Conclave we are organizing in the virtual platform, and I hope you all will enjoy and contribute and deliberate 2 days a meaningful dialogue how we can carry forward the communication for the social change. Friends, my last, I will join with you all to pay the rich tribute to the legendary statesman and the maker of modern India, Dr. Harikrishna Mahatab, on his 21st birth anniversary. Friends, I would like to mention over here, you all will be astonished. 100 years before, Mahatab could able to see, and he, by that time there was no scientific communication tools. 100 years before, he could able to use the communication tool for the freedom fighters movement, freedom movement of our country. During his college days, he published the magazine for which he was rusticated from the university and the college by that time, and he used to publish the magazine and carry forward the message to the freedom movement workers. And after that, during freedom struggle, and after that also, Mahatab successfully experienced and communicated the communication tool by publishing Prajatantra and a regular writer for the Gaon Majlis. In the Gaon Majlis, he used to communicate to the common people with the simple language, and most of the times the administration used to react on that, and he has experienced the communication. And very shortly, I announce over here, I would say, inform you all. I am happy to inform that very shortly our chief guest will release the logo of the Harikrishna Mahatab Resource Center. Friends, in the meantime, we have communicated with a number of universities, vice chancellors, department heads, and the SRC heads to carry forward and to facilitate the students to take up more and more projects for the PhD thesis. for our students, particularly in the language and literature, political science, and journalism and history. And most of the universities, the vice chancellors, they have shown their keen interest. You all will be happy to know that by this time, more than 38% they did their PhD on Dr. Harakrishna Mahatab's work. And a number of students are in the pipeline to defend their PhD thesis shortly. So this resource center, which we are going to have it here in Bhubaneswar, that will facilitate and that will support to the scholars to take up more and more innovative issues for their PhD work in near future. And this center will also help and support in various ways. It will be a web-based center. Today, Honorable Chief Guest of this 4th National Media Conclave, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, will inaugurate its logo, and the whole objective is to facilitate our young scholars. Friends, again, I welcome you all to this 4th National Media Conclave. I hope you will have a meaningful dialogue with this 2 days conclave on communication for social change. Thank you.